Hello developers and welcome back. In this video we'll learn how to create this amazing application that converts kilos into pounds. It will get the user input, like for example 100 kilos, and when the user click on the convert kilos to pound button, it will do the conversion. So this is the result in pounds. This application will review the edit text, the button, the text view, and we'll learn how to create the function that accepts the value in kilos and convert it into the pounds. Let's start creating our application. Click New Project, select Empty Views Activity, Next, name it as Unit Converter and the language Java. Click Finish and wait for Android Studio to finish syncing the project. As said before, the first step in creating the application is designing the user interface. Let's move to the activity_main.xml file, go to split mode, remove this text view. Let's create an edit text, match parent, wrap content, and the ID would be edit text. The hint would be enter weight in kilo, and don't miss the closing tag for the edit tag. Then I'll drag and drop it to here and infer constraint by clicking on this button. I need to create a button to allow the user to click on it to convert the kilos into pounds. Wrap content, the ID button, BDN, and the text convert kilos. Drag and drop this button, click on Infer Constraints button. Now we need a text view to display the results. Text view, wrap content, text size would be 70 SP, ID, text view. And I'll add the attribute text just to see this text in the layout. So for example, 0, you can see this text and I can drag and drop it here. Then I'll click on Infer Constraints and this text view would be positioned here. And I'll add the image as a background for this layout to make it more beautiful. So I'll add this image, copy it, make sure that you start its name by small letters and no numbers. Go to the drawable and paste it. Click OK, and let's go to the constraint layout and add the background drawable, and you can see that it is displayed as the background. I'll create here text color attribute and I'll choose white because it's the background is black and I'll make it as white to make the contrast.